The news about Donald Trump testing positive to COVID-19 shook the market. All three main indexes, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, fell between 1% and 2% in early trades on Friday. In this video, I will talk about Workhorse. I will talk about some of their highlights this year. I will talk about some of their highlights in the past few days. I will also discuss some insider trading activities that's been going on. And finally, I will discuss the impact of Donald Trump's health situation on Workhorse and what investors should be doing. My name is Ethel. I love to make videos about how you can earn, save, and invest. I am super excited to have you here. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing and liking this video because it helps out my channel really well. Thank you. So let's talk about Workhorse. Workhorse Group manufactures, builds, sells, and leases battery electric vehicles and aircraft in the United States. It operates in two divisions: Automotive and Aviation. The company also develops cloud-based and real-time telematic performance monitoring system that enables fleet operators to optimize energy and route efficiency. Workhorse also focuses in providing sustainable and cost-effective drone integrated electric vehicles to the last mile delivery sector. So let's take a look at some of their highlights this year. So in August, Workhorse strategic partner Lordstown Motors entered into a business combination agreement with DiamondPeak Holdings, a special purpose acquisition company that will result in LMC becoming a publicly listed company on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol RID. That's right. In July, they obtained HIV eligibility from CARB, qualifying certain Workhorse C-Series model of monetary vouchers of up to $50,000 per vehicle. Okay, in July, they received initial purchase order for 20 C1000 truck for newly truck buyer, reseller, and financer. In July 2020, they closed a $20 million financing through a senior secured convertible note with a signal institutional investor. In July, they delivered 2 C1000 electric step van for initial use through radar system. In July, they awarded executive order A445 from CARB for the C-Series truck, designating the C-Series vehicle as zero emission in the state of California and permitting the vehicle's sales to all 50 states, combined with its passing of the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard FMVSS test for the C650 and the C1000 all-electric delivery van in June. Workhorse is the only American all-electric OEM design and manufacturing last mile delivery vehicle to successfully complete this level of testing with both entities. In June 2020, they added a broad market Russell 3000 index to the conclusion of Russell annual reconstitution. In May 2020, they joined the small UAV coalition as an associate member alongside leading consumer and technology companies such as Amazon Air, Wing, Intel, and the rest of them. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps out my channel, and also like this video. That really helps on my channel a lot. Thank you. Now this week, Workhorse surged 16% on Monday after it was reported that the President Trump viewed the Lordstown Motors 2021 endurance pickup truck on the south lawn of White House. Workhorse owns 10% equity stake in Lordstown Motors, which is targeting a 2021 launch of its electric pickup truck. DiamondPeak Motors also jumped 12% on the news, as the SPAC has previously announced that it will merge with Lordstown Motors. Now let's talk about the insider sale activity. Before I start talking about the insider sale activity, I would like to use just a few minutes to describe who these insiders are. According to the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, they define insider as management, officers, or any beneficiary owner with more than 10% class of a company's security. So insider sales has been going on in Workhorse since February of this year, and the latest happened on the 17th and on the 28th of September this year. So in the latest sales transaction reported, a director and a CEO sold 1.2 million and 1.3 million worth of Workhorse respectively. According to Investopedia, as a general rule, insiders buying their own stocks shows that management has confidence in the company and is considered as a bullish sign, a sign that stock prices are likely to go up. On the other side, insiders selling is considered bearish, meaning that those that know about the company have a reason to why they are selling their stock, meaning that the price might go down. That being said, I am not sure why they are selling. They own the stock and they have every right to sell and make profit if that is what they actually want to do with their own stock. Now let's talk about the impact of Donald Trump's health situation on Workhorse stock. The news about Donald Trump testing positive to COVID-19 shake the market. All the three index, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq, fell between 1% and 2%. Stock market in the world moved lower on Friday after Donald Trump tweeted that he has tested positive to COVID-19. I wish Donald Trump, his wife, and their friends, and all those who have tested positive that came in contact with them, and also those that have been, suffering from COVID-19. I wish them all quick, recovery. On Friday, Workhorse got down to $22.8 in early hours, and it closed at $23.62. While Trump's health situation might pose a risk to the firm, it's also essential for us to remember that USPS contract would be a big news. Although we are not certain or sure if that's going to happen or not, if Workforce even get a piece of that contract, that would be a win. According to Zach research on Workhorse released on 1st October, they rated Workhorse as number 3 among the list of their stock to be on hold. But I also want us to remember that they released this research on the 1st of October. At that time, the public was not aware about the health situation of Donald Trump. So if you can stand the risk, I do believe that Workhorse will pay off in the long term. As with any other investment, I recommend a long-term hold for maximum profit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.